Yeah. Try?
I'm going to test.
Yeah, go try. Sorry? Hamid? Not on pavement, on road, yeah? My name's Jem. I'm the founder and director of the Bike Project. We collect second-hand bikes, refurbish them and donate them to refugees and asylum seekers in the UK. When I started, we just had a tiny bit of a shared space. It was just me, and we were giving out about 10, 15 bikes a month, and that was 4 years ago. Now we're giving away about 90 bikes every month. We now employ 10 people, so yeah, we've grown. I think it's a bit small for you, yeah. Let's see what else have we got. We won't... A little bit small, but it's okay. How does it feel? Feels all right?
Because sometimes I walk because I haven't got money for my travel. 2 hours and a half or 3 hours I walk slowly. But now I have this bike. How? This way? Show me.
Rupert. So this kid turned out to be a bit big for this. He's basically a bit too tall for this bike. There's like a core group of regulars who like come and we have fun and who like to get involved. Yeah, it's a nice little crew and they tend to stick around afterwards. No worries, thank you. Thanks for coming down. Enjoy your bike. We really feel more than the negative stories. We really feel the support both in terms of bike donations, financial donations. Move it slightly that way.
Yeah.
I'll try. On the road. If I die, it's your fault though, yeah? No problem. Thanks. Big problem. We want to get bigger, we want to scale it, we want to provide the solution to other refugees in other cities around the country.
Have you got much experience?
Oh, a little bit when I was a child. I'm happy to see a bike on the road with a helmet, light.
You will have the customer.
I'll be really, I'm happy.
Thank you. Welcome, enjoy.
Prohibited, yeah. Interdiction, yeah.
And there's a lot of roads that will have, say, like, turn left.
It's a dream. I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy.